Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day, and as we all know, wash day can literally take a whole day. So today I just want to show you guys how I start my wash day off by pre-pooing with aloe vera. I use a whole aloe vera plant, and I actually got this method from Natural 85. I'm sure we all know and love her. So I'm going to cut this thing in half and apply it to my scalp. Now I don't do this every week. I do try to wash my hair every week, but I don't use this pre-poo method every week because I usually use it when I feel like my scalp is a little bit more on the dry end. So I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks. It's horrible. So I got this from my local international market. I got it for about, I think it was like $2. It's very inexpensive. So if you guys want to see how I go ahead and cut this up and apply it to my scalp, then go ahead and watch the next clip.
So here is the aloe vera plant. I am going to cut this into half and cut that half piece into 4 pieces. So here I am just trying to find an equal placement to cut it so that I have enough for next time if I still want to use this method next time I wash. So here's what the plant looks like, and I'm just going to cut this section into 4 pieces so you guys can go ahead and watch me do that. So now I am taking one of those 4 pieces and I'm just going to go ahead and cut those spiky sides off. And that's because there's no use for that, of course, because there's no gel inside of there. So I'm going to cut that out so we can cut it into half. And I was just showing you guys how the inside of the plant looked like. So I'm cutting it into equal pieces. And as you guys can see, that lovely gel that's inside of there. So now I'm just going to put that aside and put that into a bowl, and I'm going to move on to the next piece. And once again, I'm just going to cut that into an equal half, and I'm trying to show you guys where to cut it. And these pieces will be slippery because it's gel inside. So if you see it moving around, then it's because it's slipping out of my hands. And so now I'm on to the very last piece. And just a tip for you, if you guys want to do it, here's a tip. Just cut off that piece that I'm cutting off now. Try to cut that off beforehand. I actually forgot to cut it off when I was cutting the plant into half, so it made it a little bit harder to cut it off now. And I'm cutting off those sides once again, and I'm going to cut this one into half as well. And so now here's all of my 8 pieces. Okay, you guys, so this is what happens when you have your hair in a bun for 2 weeks. And I'm just showing you guys how my ends look. My hair is just dry and tangled. And I actually did go in after this and apply a deep conditioner as well because my hair was just extremely dry. So now I'm just going to part my hair into 4 equal sections so I can go ahead and work the aloe into my scalp. And I'm trying to be very gentle with this because since my hair is dry, it's more prone to breaking. Now, if you do want to be more precise, then go ahead and use a comb. So here are my 4 sections. I'm going to work with the first 2 sections so you guys can actually see exactly what I'm doing. So once again, I'm just showing you guys the tangles and all of that. Please don't keep your hair in a bun for a long time if you're not going to detangle it like I did. So now I'm just applying that first aloe vera section onto my scalp. You guys can see the gel being distributed, making it nice and shiny. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to poke that aloe vera plant just to get some more gel out of it. As you guys saw, I was struggling to get the gel onto my scalp because it was kind of drying out, and now it's a lot more is being applied. So if you find that your aloe vera section is not giving you as much gel as you want, just try to poke holes into it so you can get more gel. And I just picked up a fresh section because the previous section is just too dry for me to even poke holes into, so I'm just going to get a whole new section. And I usually use about 2 aloe vera plants per each section in my head. Once again, I'm just poking holes into it just to get more gel. And I'm going to make sure I put some on my edges as well. You know, your edges always can use some more love. So I'm just massaging that section just to make sure the aloe vera gel gets into all of those parts of my scalp in that section. And I'm going to roll this section up and close it in with a duck clip. So I'm going to do this section, but I am going to speed it up just so you guys can see how I do it once again. And this time I'm actually making sure I part through it because the other section was just too tangled and I didn't detangle beforehand. Like I said, if you want to be more neat with it, just make sure you go in and part it with the comb. And I definitely think I'm going to do that next time because my parting is a mess. Natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. So every time I finish with each section, I just go in and give myself a little scalp massage and try to massage all the gel into my scalp. And I'm going to go ahead and complete the other 2 sections off camera. So now I'm completely done, and I'm just going to give you guys a close-up of how it looks on my hair. The gel makes your hair very shiny and it makes it feel very moisturized. And now I'm going to cover my head with this plastic bag and I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. And as I said before, I did apply deep conditioner after this because my hair was just too dry and tangled for me to actually wash it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.